वागातोरच्या प्लॉटाचेर गोंय पर्यटन उदरगत महामंडळान सुरू केल्ली सगळी बांदकामां बंद करपाचो आदेश राष्ट्रीय हरीत लवादान दिला. सीआरझेड कायदे मोडून हे काम चल्लां म्हणून एनजीटीन हो आदेश दिलो. वागातोर प्लॉटाचेर तात्पुरती सुरू आशिल्ली कामां सुद्दां बंद करून लँड सर्वे संचालकाक 3 सप्तकां भितर सर्वे आनी इन्स्पेक्शन करपाक सांगलां. हो रिपोर्ट 6 सप्तकां भितर दिवचो पडटलो. तो मेरेन सगळे तरेची बांदकामां बंद दवरची म्हणून ट्रिब्युनलान सांगलां. देवू चोडणकारान मोदीचेर घाल्ले वादग्रस्त फेसबुक पोस्टावेल्यान आतां सोशल मिडियातूय 2 गट जाल्यात. सरकार फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीचाक हात घालता म्हणून एक ग्रुप इतले दीस जालो आवाज काडटा. आतां सोशल मिडिया नॉट अ फोरम फॉर हेटेड म्हणून दुसरो ग्रुप जाला. हो गट म्हणटा सोशल मिडियाचेर समाजीक आनी धर्मीक भावनाक हात घालपी पोस्ट नाकात. एक ग्रुप सरकारा आड उलयता. आतां नवा ग्रुप तांच्या आड आर्ग्युमेंट घालता.
So we have told the police that try to remove the stigma that comes with this action.
Now they have all understood how politically motivated this whole case is, and I am sure Devu Chodankar will get justice from the DGP and the DIG.
सरकार फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीचाक हात घालता म्हूण हो जालो एका सोशल ग्रुपाचो आर्ग्युमेंट. आतां सोशल मिडिया नॉट अ फोरम फॉर हेट्रेड म्हूण दुसरो ग्रुप वयर सरला. तांचे आर्ग्युमेंट पळयात.
There are several people who are affected by the posts on the Facebook itself, who are worried, concerned, emotionally and psychologically disturbed, who also contact me for advice, guidance and help. There are some people, and we have seen these cases happening in Goa itself, where fake IDs of young youth have been created with malafide intent and with very, very painful content on the Facebook pages.
You see, sometimes some people post comments without facts and figures, and I'm not saying they're sort of doing it maliciously. I'm just saying that sometimes you do it unknowingly. You don't understand what is right or wrong. You just do it. Some do it deliberately. Like you in the media would agree with me that political parties across the spectrum spend a lot of money to hire people just to do that.
And we will be keeping an eye out for content that spreads hatred, that spreads divisiveness in the Goan community. And we now as a forum will take legal action against all posts, all comments that will come out on the Facebook, on the Goan social forums that try to create a sense of communal tension that works against the secular fabric of the state. We as a forum will now take legal action on our own.
मुख्यमंत्री म्हणतात देऊ प्रकरणात काँग्रेस फक्त राजकारण करता.
Government has no role to play in the full episode because government was not the complainant. काँग्रेसचे जे नेते हांगा बडबडटा तांच्यांनी पयली आपल्या कर्नाटकाच्या हाका. I do know that some people normally don't realize the seriousness of what they say.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.
आता घेऊया एक व्यावसायिक विसव.